I'm back doing a battle. We brought back the Tornado Stadium. There we go, moving around. We are going to be doing a battle today, as you would have seen by the thumbnail and the title, I'm guessing. We're doing a battle between Gravity Destroyer, AD145WD, and... who's that?
L-Drago, Rush.
In closer. Yep. Show them up. Yep. Turn around. Yep.
L-Drago, Rush.
Meteo L-Drago Rush.
Meteo L-Drago, Rush.
125.
125.
SF.
SF.
Yes. Semi-flat. Alright. So since we're both Gravity Destroyer is able to do left rotation and right rotation, we're going to switch between doing... no, do not turn it. Why would you do that? You launch here. We need to keep it balanced. So, yeah, I'm going to be switching. We're going to be switching the rotation sometimes between left rotation and right rotation. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll go up to 7. Yeah, we'll go up to 7. You and I know kind of battle. All right. First, I'll be going on right rotation gravity on counter mode. Right. So let's try it out. What's your mode on? I think yours is on. You're on barrage mode. Barrage mode. All right. So. Let's see, I'll go in your favor first, so let's go. Right rotation? 3, 2, 1. Alright, well, let's see how this battle goes out. Ooh, okay. Gravity Destroyer wins the first round, leaving it the score 1 to 0. Okay, I'm gonna put on left rotation this time for me. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, a tie this time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Direct it. And the cool thing about this battle was I didn't choose this myself. Kai, my younger brother right there, he's the originator of this battle, as you'd say. Okay. All big hits here, right? So this is the left rotation thing. So, it's called. It's not Destroyer. L-Drago said it too late, but L-Drago was the one suffering for left rotation. Was the left rotation spinning? Counterclockwise rotation of it messes with L-Drago's left rotation spin. So yeah, we have to put it on the opposite mode for it to work. If you didn't see my unboxing of this savings video. Anyway, moving on, I'll be going to left rotation, counter mode still. We'll put on right rotation. 3, 2, 1. Now it's both favorable for both of us. Okay, we're gonna get that tornado hit. Let's see. Ooh, I like that right there. Okay, not much aggression from semi-flats. That's to be expected. Somewhat expected. Looks like it's going to be kind of stamina match, and unless L-Drago does something crazy, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Yeah, SF is acting pretty weird in the tornado point, but yeah. Okay, and that's wraps. Okay, I'm sure he's the score now. I think it's 3-0 now, right? You didn't win that, did you? No, you won. You won once. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did. You won once. Yeah. So it's 3-1. Okay, we'll put it on right rotation. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here he goes. Ooh. You might want to change your mode after this to assault mode. Does a lot better. Ooh, okay, he caught me there. I was waiting, I was like, is he gonna get me with that swing? Okay. Not Destroyer, L-Drago. Keep thinking L-Drago like Destructor, so Destroyer? No. Destroyer loses that round. L-Drago takes the next point, you score 3-2. Or 2-3 in its view. But here we go. Okay, I'll go back to right rotation. I'm going to switch. Actually, I should have done that while I was talking. I'm going to switch my mode to defense mode. Right? Done real quick. Okay, get ready to launch. 3. Yeah, I don't even have it screwed in yet, but it just fell out. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. Right rotation, defense mode. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Oh, complete denial. Okay. The Destroyer leads the score now 4-2. 4-2. 3, 2, 1. Actually, I'll put on right rotation 3. Okay, he's getting hits. Not quite working. Ooh, okay, that was a close one. Okay, the Destroyer is using the tornado thing to speed away from him. That's crazy. Ooh. And L-Drago possibly win. No, he cannot this one. Okay. L-Drago loses that one, and then Destroyer leaves the score again. 5 to 2. 5 to 2, right? I'll put back on left rotation. Here we go. Right rotation for the spin. 3, 2, 1. Oh! There we go. Oh! Alright. Big hit. But still 5 to 2. 3, 2, 1. Stay up there. Oh. Here he comes. Oh. Stay alive again. Oh. Can't quite KO the sword. Okay, sword almost KO him now. It's not looking so good for L-Drago. This didn't help him to like stay alive, just like, seemingly a little bit longer. But yeah, it's not enough. Destroyer leads around the score now 6 to 2. 6 to 2, I think. Yeah. Alright. This might be it, but we'll put on left rotation for you. But L-Drago, do it. Come on, L-Drago. You gotta do it right now. Yes! Alright. I shouldn't be saying yes because I lost, whatever. L-Drago leads the score now 3 to 6. Okay. Keep it on left rotation. 3, 2, 1. Left rotation for launch, but right rotation for the Alright. Another little clutch up. Oh boy. Not quite KO. Ooh, Destroyer's pretty destroyed. Alright, yeah, that's tough. Okay, Destroyer leads the score. May get him to come back. And then he didn't turn around, whatever. Destroyer leads the score 7. That's 7 to. Where do we go? 7 to 3. Okay, well, that was the battle. It wasn't super epic, but you know, it was in the BB10 meeting. The BB10. Oh, well, you didn't tell me. This is yeah, I'm just making sure this is assault mode. Yeah, this is assault mode. But yeah, oh well, it was pretty good in the stadium still though. I don't know. Maybe we'll try in the BB10 another far away video from now. Because I have other videos that I can record too. So we'll bring this back sometime maybe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did pretty well. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next video.